The problem, therefore, the first problem for the Middle East is that they don't have economic independence, nothing remotely like it. The only country with a little bit of exception to that, just a little, is Israel. Why? Because of their peculiar relationship, A, to Jews and B, to the United States, which gives them a whole lot of money for nothing, just out of a kind of solidarity. You are our baby. You are our friend. You are our fellow Jew. You are our whatever, however they conceptualize it. There's a load of opportunity, cash, business deals, all kinds of things that are available to them through that contact that are not available yet to the others.